This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. Fantastic downtown condo. This spacious third-floor condo boasts a modern, open floor plan for comfortable city living. The large living room provides ample space for relaxing and dining and includes a gas fireplace perfect for chilly nights. Overlooking the living area, the kitchen provides a great space for bar seating and ample cabinet and counter space. The bedroom offers wonderful natural light and an amazing walk-in closet. The laundry room conveniently provides additional storage space, and the spacious bathroom features charming details such as beadboard and classic black and white tile. Covered, assigned parking is another huge plus of this great unit. Numerous restaurants, parks, museums, and shops nearby, and easy interstate access makes any commute a breeze. December 3, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia Shea at 757-971-6221.